Guys, I'm here with Mike from, is it REZ antennas?
REZ.
REZ antennas.
Yep.
And he's based right here in the Houston area. Just came out with this amazing loaded coil antenna.
Thanks.
So why don't you tell us all about this beautiful creation?
Sure, yeah. So we've got the REZ Ranger 80 here. It's a base-loaded vertical for portable operation. It'll handle 80 through 15 meters with the stock whip. And then if you want to get lower bands, you can get a telescoping whip and just collapse it down and do it that way. We've got the Radial system here. This is what I call the Radial pup. It's got 8 4mm banana jacks in it.
Okay.
So that accepts the plug here on the radials.
What gauge wire is that?
That's 18 gauge.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can actually double these up. One of these banana plugs will take 2 of them.
Okay.
So if you want to expand your radial field, you could do it that way.
Nice.
They come 33 feet long.
Okay.
You can cut them in half if you want. And resolder.
And you have more, it looks like you have more holes for more wires if you want to. Okay,
yeah,
good.
There's 8 total.
Oh, great.
So if you double them up, you can run 16 radials that way. So
nice.
200 watts sideband, 100 watts digital. Those figures could possibly change in the future if we do some more testing. But we haven't gotten there yet, so that might change.
Yeah.
Comes with the backpack, the military whip, obviously the coil, and you get a spike with it.
Oh, nice.
And then if you want to upgrade and get the tripod extra, that's just a $65 upgrade.
Okay.
The whip is like a military whip style, so it's like a tent pole style.
Yeah.
Brass, stainless steel construction, black paint. SO 239.
Okay.
On that side. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We got this clip, we made it kind of extra wide. It's a 1/2 inch.
Wow, okay.
So it should help cut down on the heat a little bit on the coil. Hopefully allow us to run a little more power.
Yeah. I know the guys like to run like 100 watts FT8 out in the field.
Yeah, that'll easily.
Yeah,
easily.
Okay, good.
The couple of the little design features that we put in here, when the collar gets to the top, we've got this machine so that it's the same outer diameter as the coil.
Okay.
So when you get to the top, there's no slop in it.
So very
it's
nice.
Keep that clip tight to that coil no matter where you are on it.
That is a thing I was dealing with yesterday, in fact.
Yeah, so we kind of went and solved that problem.
Okay.
And the stop here helps you just, if you want to run it basically with no loading, you just run that to the stop, catch that first wire. Okay. And you can.
Now, is that whip resonant on any particular frequency if there's no loading, or?
Not really.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it might be, but.
It's resonant somewhere.
It's resonant somewhere. It might not be in the ham bands.
Yeah,
but,
okay.
Yeah, I mean, like 15 meters on this takes like maybe like a quarter turn.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very little, so it's almost there.
Yeah. Well, that's great. Yeah, that's going all the way up to the roof pretty much. So.
Yeah, it's 9.3 feet.
That's a good size whip there.
Yep.
And it all compacts down into that bag. And
Just
you're
like
so availability, website. How do we get these?
So rezantenna.com. Go on there, place an order. Right now, we're about 4 weeks on these.
Okay. And you just kind of started coming into production with these?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a pre-production model.
Okay.
But this is the final product.
Okay.
Everything's going to be made just like this.
Nice. So how long have you been working on this then?
About 1.5 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good for you. Congratulations.
So I kept kind of like tweaking it and tweaking it and tweaking it.
Yeah.
And then I decided I need to kind of like get this thing going. So, you know,
good.
But I got it to a place where I'm really happy with it. And,
nice.
I'm a POTA guy myself, so I go out. I've been doing POTA activations with this thing for a year and a half.
I've done 1 or 2 of those.
Yeah, I know. So, been excited about it, and I'm happy to be able to share it now.
Awesome.
So,
awesome. Anything else we need to know about?
Well, everything's made in the U.S. except for the whip.
Okay.
That's the domestic part here, and that's the imported part there.
Sure.
So, someday, maybe, I don't know, I would love to be able to produce those here.
Yeah.
But I couldn't get anybody to do it for a reasonable cost.
Sure.
So
yeah.
That's where we are. But
that's awesome, man. Like small time Houston local Making it happen, dude.
Yep.
I love it. I love it. So now we have
Cool.
ABR here and REZ antennas in Houston.
Any questions, go on the website, Facebook, Instagram, shoot me an email.
Okay.
Comes to me, I'm the guy, so I'll answer the questions.
Great. Great.
So,
And we're doing 525 it looks like, and 475 Hamfest special.
$50 off.
Anything for the viewers maybe? Can we extend that to the end of the month or?
Yeah, well, I've got a 10% off. I don't have my iPad out right now,
Okay.
but if you go on the website, you sign up for the email. I'll send out something after the Hamfest
Okay.
and just say till the end of March, 10% off.
Awesome. That's sweet.
Cool.
Cool, man.
All right.
Thanks so much.
Thanks.
Appreciate it.
Have a
Go
good
check
one.
out REZ antennas.